Alright, we're back with more Factorio. Here we go. I am Pax, and we are continuing here with our playthrough of Factorio Space Exploration. And we've got our biological science up and running. Looks like it's going pretty good now. Material science, how are you doing? Material catalog, looking okay. Running low on those. We got science kind of churning out the mining productivity, so it's pretty good, looking pretty good. Then we just sort of built the skeleton of the new train system, so today I want to try to just set it up and kind of get the new train system up and running. So the plan is to just turn these builds kind of into more or less like coming off of these stations. So basically we're gonna have tracks coming up here, kind of all the way up into here. There you go. Same thing over here. Boom. We want some of this stuff. There you go. And yeah, so we'll slowly convert these tracks to basically I think we'll have the trains only go one way for the future. Same thing up here. I want to have the station just come up and go into these production facilities. Get the tracks in. I'm pretty sure that fits. Looks like it does. And I'm I'm struggling to, let's see, maybe like one of these. Yes, so I don't exactly want to interrupt it, but whatever, we can just interrupt it. It's okay, it's not a big deal. So then, yeah, this will be good because we'll finally be able to scale up the trains. And I want the trains to be a lot faster too. They're just kind of slow. They just don't go very far. And I was hoping they'd maybe accelerate a bit more quickly, but we'll try to do something about that. I mean, of course, the space station is a bit small, so we can just start getting rid of some of this stuff. So then, yes, this should be pretty good. Hopefully this will work. Whoa. I saw a train over there. Oops. I'm kind of digging the jetpack. The jetpack has been pretty good. So we just want to keep going with building these tracks out, getting the signals in. I think it's here. One more. Oops. Excuse me. So yes, basically the idea is now all of the trains will just come through here. And we will just start getting rid of all this stuff. Get rid of some of this. Go this way. Well, just leave that there, I guess. No path, that's okay. We'll get it fixed, don't worry. Don't worry, trains. You'll figure it out soon enough. Get rid of all this. Get rid of these depots. Then what else? We want these guys to get fixed. Yes. Well. So then once we have these trains, we'll start making our way towards the next tier of science. But then the question is just what tier, what direction do we go in? I guess it doesn't really matter. We just, I think there's definitely some good stuff. Like material science one will give us holmium accumulators, which will be really good. I think there's some good stuff in astronomic science. There's good stuff everywhere. Energy science gives us, I think, more pylons and stuff. All right, okay, we're getting there. Almost done. Let's see. What else we need to do? This needs to go. We need these guys. There needs to be none of this. Fix that too. Well, wait, we want this. Want this. Want this. Don't need this. Oh, sorry, trains. I know it's tough. I know it's tough. I'm being annoying, aren't I? Hey, there you go. Have some more biology science, please. Great. All right, where are you trying to go? Why can't you go anywhere, actually? Can you go anywhere? And then let's see. These need things. This. And then what I also have to do is switch these stations to point the other direction. So let's grab this, put it here. And then the green wire goes on this power pole. Another green wire goes from there to there. Red wire from there to there. That should reset it. I think that's all we have to do. And same for the energy science train stop. Just put it on the other side. And reconnect the wires. Okay, so that's maybe working. There's still no path, but not sure why. Why are no path? Are you going? Where are you even going? Oh, wait. You're going to Astro Catalog. Can you not go here? Go. Okay. I mean, oops. Well, oh well. I think that's fine. It'll still work. All right, how are you doing? You're doing something. Okay, there they go. Now we're zooming. Now we got some zoomy trains. All right, we need to put down some new depots and such. And the idea is to get some scaffolding. We need to maybe, I'm just gonna take this area first. Go like this, just clean it up. And I think we need some up here. Maybe like this. Let's just do all of this maybe. For a second, at least. This will be where we do depots, and we'll move all this. So over here, let's see, is there anything good? Oh, why do I have that? Let's see, let's just get all this stuff out of here, yeah. Get the box of shame cleaned up. We'll fix that stuff later. So here, you want some scrap, you want these. That's pretty good. You want those. Probably that. All right, okay, hopefully that helps. Trains, are you going? Kind of, maybe? Yes, no? They're kind of going. Okay, well, we don't want them to go backwards anymore, so let's fix this one now. Let's wait for this train. Okay. Go there, this is gone. All this is gone. Gone now. Go, go. Go, go. Train track destroy. It's like I'm Inspector Gadget. All right, there we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. We got something going. We got some stuff going here. Let's just start getting rid of this. We don't really need this anymore either. General. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye this stuff. Goodbye old depot. There you go. Oops, not that. All right, then the idea is we're gonna just copy this. Copy this. Put it over here. Okay. And instead of, yeah, we're just not going to do the dead thing over here, but we're just going to put them into, like, I mean, this recycling facility. We don't need very much of this, so I'm just going to leave it over here. And we'll change this into a requester chest. And then let's put some depots down. So I think it's still fine just to use these, except for the, let's see, where should we put it? We need enough room to put fuel. So I think here's fine. So now we got depots back, and let's see, we want maybe a little bit more scaffolding then. Let's see, I think I put a, yes, one of these. So let's get rid of, I don't want to do too much scaffolding out here. But we do want also then to do all the fuel, so probably like this, I guess. Fuel here. Did I destroy this already? Yep, oops, okay, well, oh well. We want to request, let's see, are they over here? Yes. These guys? And then, that's fine. Let's do this and this. Copy this. Go there. Go there. That's good. We'll do the same thing over here. Kind of symmetrically. Could have flipped it, I guess. I don't know. It's fine. Okay, then we don't really need these. And let's get some roboports. Roboports. Sure. There. And let's see, we also want this, the box of shame, I keep calling it. In case the LTN thing messes up is the idea. Just take everything off the trains. If it has junk we don't want, then I'm gonna add these stations. I'm just gonna call them through. This will just help deal with some of the priority things that the trains do, because I want them to use everything like a stacker if it's possible, but if their train stops here and not on the right, then they'll use these two as a stacker, but then they won't use the other three. Plus this will also get them to not necessarily go through the station when they shouldn't go through it, so that's the idea. And then I think this is good. I think what we want to do is make a blueprint of this. Blueprint. Get the tiles, get the train stop names. And I think that looks pretty good. We could put a little more there, but it's fine. All right, so we're just going to put this down in the other locations. Go like that. Got to get the scaffolding down first, of course. Okay. Go like that. Somehow this gets put down. That's really interesting. Science, churning out the science. Mining productivity. We're kind of working on it, but we might be waiting for quite some time. We might switch back to do maybe some of this stuff. Since we've been, we have like a lot of astroscience stockpiled now, and or need to catch up with the bioscience. Let's see, a couple other things I want to do is add a couple of rail signals out here. So I think like this. Just do this. I'm going to copy this just to make it easier. Put them kind of pretty much everywhere, because I think this will help, since we have pretty small trains. I think we can just add these extra rail signals. It's no big deal. That one's probably pretty good. So we don't need to do it everywhere, I guess. And then I think over here, I want to add maybe like a little turnaround thing. Just make it easier for the trains to turn around. Let's do that here and down here. That's probably good for now. Then what else is going on? Okay, so now let's get back. Let's finish this. We'll want to add these now. Go there. And go here. Cool. Okay, so that should set up the trains. I think, no, this one's clearly messed up still. Let's see. Okay, you're good. You figured it out. You don't want that anymore? Or, I don't know what that was there. This is good now. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Pretty okay. Can add some more rail signals here, actually. Can, they don't need to really wait that long. Just do one every train length. Seems pretty good. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter too much. Cool. Okay. Sure. Why not? Why not? Sure. How far back does this go? Ooh. Yeah, let's put one here and here. Sure. It really doesn't matter too much, I don't think. All right, that's looking pretty good, I think. Looking pretty good. Trains are going, but we want to then... They're not fast enough. They're not fast enough. So how are we going to make them faster? We're going to go like this. Go forward. Forward only. Have more of them. So with two of them going forward, yeah, I hope they accelerate a lot faster and they're a bit speedier. And, oh no. That's funny. I can't even get rid of the ghost. Okay, wait, here. Ghosts, go away. Charging. Charging is happening. Power is no problem. I moved all the power to just right here. I can put powers like all over the place around the train tracks was the idea, but I only needed 3, and this is already a gig, or 700 megawatts, and I'm only using like 200, so got tons and tons of power. One thing I think is that this isn't fast enough. But, okay, so let's just get these going. Go to depot, go. Go to depot, go. Okay, is that all of them? No, there's one more with a thing. Let's build one more train. Do that. Where'd that one go? Here you go. Okay, take this one off. Just put it the other way. Then, you know, have all these. Have that. Go. Cool. Okay, nice. Trains are going. Looking good, looking good. The base is working hard. Materials going. Biology is going. Awesome. Everything's going. Astro's going. Energy's going. Nice. Good. That's good to see. Means the trains are actually doing their job as well, so that's good to know. Then I think then that'll pretty much call the session. One thing I maybe want to do real quick was I was looking at this and, well, sometimes it just pauses. but it shouldn't. And the reason it does is because, well, let's see if it happens. Because see, like, it needs LDS, but it doesn't get it. So I think what I want to do is kind of move this up here. Just, how much is in here? Oh yeah, there's not very much in here anyway, so we can move it all. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is move this whole thing up 2 tiles. And then I'm going to give it a little buffer. So this way it will just make sure, I think this will just have it be a bit more consistent. Because what happens is just like, the inserters will only add things when this is like down to 1 or 2. But then it might be a while before those things come by. And so it sort of stutters, and I don't want it to do that. So I'm just going to put a little buffer here and allow, whoa, we got a 20 million circuits, huh? Yes, just like a little buffer here so that this goes more consistently is the hope. And yes, we'll just do this. There we go. So yeah, just have the scaffolding back, no worries. Great, okay, cool, yeah, nice. So then, yeah, I think then this will be a good place to take a break. We're now set up with the new train system, and yeah, I hope these trains are, they're quite a bit quicker now. So hopefully they, yeah, this will be fun. Yes, I just want quicker trains, and now I think, yes, we can make the trains a lot, the system is a lot more scalable now because, you know, we have all the stackers, we have unidirectional stations, and we won't get bogged down on the trains trying to do those complicated routes as before with the multi-directional stations and stuff. That was fun, but yeah, this will be a better long-term solution to have. Yeah, just really quick trains, I'm hoping. Yeah, see, we're still not even capping out on the max speed, so, but yeah, I think it's nice to just try to take advantage of these trains being so quick, because they do go a lot faster than the regular trains. They have, their max speed is like almost twice as high, but then I was sort of disappointed in how fast they accelerate. But I think with 2 wagons facing forward, the acceleration is a bit more decent, and so nice. I think this is looking pretty good. And then, yeah, so now we're just ready to keep pushing towards the higher tiers of science. And now we have the trains all laid out and the new train system, making it a lot more scalable. And yeah, then the base keeps growing and growing. So, but then yes, we'll call the session here. Follow this train around a little bit longer, but there you go, Factorio. I'm Pax. And yeah, see you next time.